It's finally here. ChatGPT 5 has officially launched, and it's more than just an upgrade. With human-like reasoning, memory that never forgets, and the ability to work across text, images, audio, and even video, this is the most powerful AI model we've ever seen. But the question is, are we ready for it? If you want to stay ahead of every AI breakthrough, make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell icon. Here at AI Insider, we don't just follow the future, we bring it to you first. When OpenAI first launched ChatGPT back in 2022, it felt like a magic trick. A machine that could answer questions, write essays, generate code, and even crack jokes. But over time, we got used to it. Updates came and went. ChatGPT 3.5, GPT-4, each faster, smarter, more capable. And now, after months of leaks, rumors, and speculation, the next leap has arrived, ChatGPT 5. This isn't just an iteration, this is a rethinking of what an AI assistant can be. From deep contextual memory to real-time fact-checking, it's a model designed not just to respond, but to think, plan, and act. At its core, GPT-5 uses an expanded neural network with trillions of parameters, but numbers alone don't explain the jump. The key is in how it processes information. Earlier models worked like a super-fast autocomplete, predicting the next word based on what came before. GPT-5, however, approaches problems more like a human mind, breaking them into steps, weighing possibilities, and evaluating outcomes before giving you an answer. This means if you ask it for a marketing plan, it won't just list random strategies. It will research your industry in real time, identify target audiences, evaluate competitors, and tailor the plan for maximum impact. That's not just AI, that's business consulting at machine speed. One of the biggest frustrations with earlier ChatGPT versions was their short memory. You could have an amazing conversation, come back the next day, and it was like the AI had never met you. GPT-5 changes that with persistent memory. It remembers your name, your preferences, your ongoing projects, and your past conversations. If you're a YouTuber, for example, you could ask it to help script videos in your specific tone and style, and weeks later, it'll still remember exactly how you like them structured. Businesses can store brand guidelines inside ChatGPT 5, so every email, post, or report follows the same voice automatically. GPT-5 is no longer confined to text. It's truly multimodal. That means you can upload a PDF, a photo, an audio clip, or even a video, and it will understand and respond accordingly. Give it a blurry photo of a product, and it can enhance it, identify it, and create marketing copy for it. Upload a podcast recording, and it can summarize, transcribe, and even generate short highlight reels. Feed it a chart, and it can analyze trends, predict future data, and suggest strategies. It's like having a researcher, designer, analyst, and editor all in one. One of the most requested features is finally here: live web access. GPT-5 can now pull data directly from the internet while it's answering your question. No more, my knowledge cuts off in 2023. Whether it's the latest stock prices, breaking news, or newly published research, GPT-5 can give you the answer right now. This changes everything for professionals. Financial analysts can track markets in real time. Students can get the latest scientific discoveries. Journalists can verify facts instantly. Developers will notice one thing immediately: GPT-5 is a monster when it comes to code. Not only can it write scripts, apps, and software from scratch, but it also reviews your code for bugs, optimizes it for speed, and even tests security vulnerabilities. And here's where it gets wild. You can now describe a full app idea in plain English, and GPT-5 will generate the code, create the interface design, and write the documentation for you. Perhaps the most unsettling or exciting feature is GPT-5's emotional awareness. It can detect your mood from the way you type, the words you choose, and even the tone of your voice in audio uploads. If you sound frustrated, it responds more patiently. If you sound excited, it matches your energy. For customer service, this could mean AI agents that can calm angry customers and provide empathetic solutions. For personal use, it could mean a digital companion that feels more alive than ever. GPT-5 can operate fluently in over 100 languages, and not just translate, but adapt to cultural nuances, slang, and idioms. A marketing campaign generated for Japan will feel authentically Japanese. One for Brazil will feel authentically Brazilian. This makes global business expansion far easier. A hidden gem in GPT-5 is its ability to act as a personal AI agent. You can assign it tasks, book a flight, schedule a meeting, monitor market trends, and it will run them on its own without constant prompting. In other words, you're not just talking to an AI anymore, you're hiring one. With all this power, safety is more important than ever. OpenAI claims GPT-5 has the most advanced fact-checking system they've ever built, significantly reducing hallucinations, those false but confident answers that plagued earlier versions. It also includes stronger safeguards against generating harmful or biased content. But no AI is perfect. And with this leap in capability, we're entering a world where distinguishing between human and machine-generated content will be harder than ever. That has huge implications for trust, misinformation, and even democracy. So, what we have with ChatGPT-5 is not just an AI tool, it's a full-scale digital partner. It learns, remembers, reasons, creates, and adapts. It's capable of running entire workflows and integrating into almost every aspect of work and life. For some, this is thrilling, a future where anyone can have instant access to expertise, creativity, and productivity tools once reserved for the elite. For others, it's alarming, a step closer to AI replacing human decision-making altogether. ChatGPT-5 is here, and it's the biggest leap forward in AI history. But as we hand over more of our thinking, planning, and creating to machines, we have to ask, are we still in control? I want to hear from you. Is this the dawn of a golden age for humanity, or the start of a dangerous dependency? Let's talk in the comments. And if you enjoyed this deep dive, hit like, subscribe, and join me here on AI Insider for more breaking updates, powerful AI tools, and the tech shaping our future.